Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? And happy Mask Monday. Hey guys, I am going to be using the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Rose Gold Eye Mask. And I'm going to make sure I don't cut into it here. And my puppies are going to start talking. You know, it's like a kid, you know, you get on the telephone and your little kids start asking you all kinds of questions before you get on the phone. They don't really care what you do. But when you start talking to somebody else, well then they want to know what's going on. Then you got to be talking to them. Same way with these doggies. They don't want me having conversation. So I got my eye mask on. And these are really nice. They really are nice for, I guess, puffiness, moisturizing. Hello, I'm back. This wasn't the one that was being all loud, but this is my little Parson Russell. Look at her. She's perfectly marked. I have UKC Champion Bloodline Parsons, and she's a typical beauty out of them. And she would be a perfect confirmation puppy, but instead she's going to be a hunting dog because she's already got a new home, but she won't be leaving us for a little while. And her name is Ebby. Yeah, this is Ebby. And Carl, if you're out there watching, here's your little Ebby. She's so cute. She's so cute. Yeah, she's going to learn how to hunt hogs and I don't know, all kinds of things. So that's what this little missy's going to be doing. Yeah, and her name's Ebby, E-B-B-Y. Yeah, he just called and told me that today. But there's her backside. She's got the marking at the base of the tail. And can't really stand her up here where you can see her good. But she's a nice looking Parson. She's got the teardrop ears. And she's going to have long hair. You can see how it's starting to grow on her ears. They start breaking out. But anyways, I just wanted to show y'all her. She was the only one in her litter, just one puppy, and that's typical for Tula. Tula's her mom. Well, now I'm going to put on this Elasticity I'm Pomegranate Mask by Tony Moly that I got from Arleen, from Unboxing with Arleen. She sent this to me for a birthday present, and along with some other masks, Tony Moly, and some other fine little things, and I thank you again. And I can't wait to try out this mask because everybody talks about how wonderful they are. And I'm sorry my puppies are just going to be loud. I promise you, they're quiet until I get on here. I don't know what it is, but they have to start going on and on. Okay, let's get this mask. It smells good. That's a good thing, right? Y'all may not want to talk to me today with all this noise going on here with the puppies. The older they get, the louder they get. I guess that's typical with the little kids too. Okay, I've just about got it on. It looks like I'm tearing it a little bit. I better be careful with it. It's got lots of moisturizing emollients in it. And it says, it doesn't tell me what it's going to do. I guess it does, but it's in Chinese or something, or Korean. I'm not sure. It's in another language. But it just says elasticity, so I guess it's going to improve the elasticity of my skin. And we're going to be carrying on with the puppies, as you can hear them. And then we got our mask on, so we're all good there. And how are you guys doing? Have you had a good week? I missed y'all last Monday. I didn't have any power for almost 48 hours. We had a very bad storm. We've got trees that were split in two. We didn't have a tornado, but apparently they were high straight winds and it tore up transformers. The electric was out in 3 cities. It was just like a blackout, and we haven't had power loss like that in years. I mean, you know, usually you get it back. The little puppies making all that noise are little Chipu puppies, and they're about 9 weeks old. So just have to bear with me today. Like I said, you may have to just turn me off if you can't stand the sound. But they're having a good time. But anyway, so the power was out for the longest that it's ever been in a long time, and I am so far behind. I haven't seen a lot of the videos I usually watch myself. I'm behind on my own, videos because I couldn't do anything for 2 days. With no power, you limit your use of any battery power that you have. And of course, I have my cell phone, but we live out in the country, and Wi-Fi just doesn't work out here without the Wi-Fi. I mean, your cell phone tower stuff just doesn't work. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. But Arleen, this is a nice mask. I'm enjoying it so far. Thank you very much. And I was trying to think if there's any other news to tell you guys about. We're getting ready to go on vacation. I'll be leaving next weekend, so I'll be gone for about 10 days. I do have plans to have videos coming out while I'm gone, so there will be some videos. The thing that may not happen is I may not be able to respond to y'all as fast or the way I usually do. So keep that in mind on comments. I still would love to hear and see your comments. I just may be a little slow getting back with them. We're going to Mexico. We're going to the Riviera Maya. I just can't wait to have a day off, if that makes any sense, because my day, I think I've told y'all in other videos, I don't get a day off. I work every day. I wake up to dogs. I go to sleep when the dogs go to sleep. And it's a never ending I mean, because it's like a farm. You got to take care of the animals, and they all need daily care and all that good stuff. So I'm really looking forward to the rest, and I just want to thank Laura with Laura Wooten Unboxings, my daughter. She's the one, and her children are coming up to take care of the dogs and the puppies. So she'll be here, and I'm sure she's got things, pre-planned for her channel as well, because it kind of affects both of us whenever we go on vacation. But I really appreciate her willingness to come and help us out so that we can have that little time away. All True, just talking about this and that, All True went out of business, right? Well, I paid my annual through PayPal, and believe it or not, I got my refund back from PayPal, so I was really surprised. I thought I was probably going to be out of that money. But we used to do the All True Crazy Train, and so the All True Crazy Train had a crash, okay? It derailed, and it's out of commission. So, as the conductor of the new train coming out, that collaboration is going to come out next Saturday on the 28th, so be on the lookout. I'm just going to have to take that off. It's just annoying me. It's real easy to tear off of there. All right, so y'all be looking for that. It's a new train, new idea, and it'll be coming to your video screen on May 28th, 10 a.m. Central Time. And then I'm in another collaboration with Miss Stephanie from NC Mountain Mama. She is having her first year anniversary, and it's a flip-flop beach party. I guess you could say a beach party, beach anniversary celebration, and that'll be coming out on June 4th. And they all have giveaways, of course. And of course, right now, our FABFITFUN uncustomized battle going on, the Triple Crown with Reviews with Sue and Laura Wooten Unboxings and myself. And you have until June 10th, and we'll announce winners on June 11th. So you have a little bit of time there to watch that video. And on the video that we're doing for the first anniversary party for Stephanie, that collaboration is going to have 23 channels, okay? That's a lot, right? We're having a playlist for that so that you can watch it, and you can do it at your convenience. It'll have 6 days to get it watched, so be sure and kind of set aside some time. You'll have to watch all the videos, and you'll have to be subscribed to all the channels, but there's going to be 23 giveaways. So there's going to be a lot going on with that, so be sure and take a look-see at that when it comes out on June 4th. I'm trying to think if there's anything else going on right now. I'll just have various different things coming out while I'm gone. They're all boxes that I normally do, and I'm going to have this and that mystery bundle battles that I do within my own channel between FABFITFUN and Bombay and Cedar. They'll all have giveaways with them. I'll have some surprise giveaways coming out in some of these videos, so there'll be lots of opportunities for giveaways and for winning a prize. So be sure and stay on top of that. I have a new product that I need to introduce, but I may not be able to do that till I get back. I'm going to introduce this new product whenever I can. I don't think it'll happen before I leave. So I think that kind of catches you all up on everything that's going on with my channel. My doggies think that I'm caught up, don't they? I don't really have anything else, guys. I just wanted to kind of touch base with you guys, do the Mask Monday with you, let you know what happened last week and why I was in the dark for so long. Like I said, I'll have content while I'm gone. And of course, I sure hope I have internet where I'm going. They're supposed to have free Wi-Fi, but you know, sometimes that can be touchy. If there's a reason that I'm not getting back or answering back or making any comments, it'll be because I don't have any internet, because I'll still be looking at my phone and I'd be able to respond. So just keep that in mind too. If you don't hear from me or something, it's just because the internet's not good. And I can't control that when I'm in another country, but I am looking forward. We're going to the El Dorado Seaside Suites, I think it's what it's called. It's a new resort. We've never been to it. It's not new. It's new to us. We've never been to this resort, but I do think it's a couple years old. And of course, when I get down there, I'll probably do a little bit of filming for you guys so you can see a little bit of it. But yeah, that's what's going on, and I'll be back, be back in a couple weeks. Of course, I'll be here this week. I just kind of giving y'all an update of what's going on. I think this mask has probably done its job. How long have I been on here? 14 minutes. So I think it's 10 to 15 minutes. Let me see if they have a time on here. Well, of course, they say 20 to 30 minutes, so maybe I'm not done, as they say. Feels really good, Arleen. I can see why y'all like the Tony Moly Mask. I like all the moisture that it brings to your skin. Alright guys, well I'm going to peel this off here in just a minute. So again, just look down in my description for any giveaways, and that's all I have. So let's take this mask off. Oh, and let's take these little things off here. They just peel right off. So nice and easy, and rub all this in. It's absorbing in good. I like to just wipe it on down. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.